sa lahat. Ayun. Nabusog po ba kayo lahat?
Yes. Yes.
Masarap po ba yung food? Okay. Happy feast day to all. Again po, we would like to offer you our photo booth at the back. Kung gusto niyo po, kaya lang mahaba pa po ang pila. Ayun. So, kung kayo po ay libre na, pwede na po kayong pumunta sa likod para po sa photo booth. Meanwhile po, we will start the program, our short program at 1 o'clock. Okay, that's 12 po, no? 12 o'clock po. Presenters, please be ready. Because our crowd, no? Our brothers and sisters are waiting for your amazing performance of your dance. Okay?